Shimenawa are ropes used in Shinto to purify and protect spaces. Today, we tied Shimenawa around 2 trees surrounding Hakusan Shrine, the garden shrine of the matcha. Shimenawa mark boundaries between the everyday and the sacred. They are wrapped around trees to mark them as Goshinboku, sacred trees believed to be places where deities descend or already dwell. Since ancient times, Japanese culture has embraced animism, the belief that gods reside in elements of nature such as mountains, rivers, and trees. By placing Shimenawa around these trees, we offer respect and gratitude, and ask for continued protection as the new year begins. Trees that become Goshinboku are typically ancient giants with a great age, size, or long-standing legends attached to them. The grounds of Hakusan Shrine are home to many giant trees that have stood here for generations, quietly watching over the land of Yubune. On this occasion, we installed Shimenawa around a massive cedar and a towering ginkgo. Both have circumferences of over 6 meters and are estimated to be between 600 and 900 years old. Considering that Hakusan Shrine itself has a history of about 750 years, it is likely that these trees are as old or older than the shrine itself. 5 years ago, there were actually plans to cut these trees down. Generally, shrine precincts are considered sacred, and cutting trees or killing living creatures is forbidden. As a result, trees are preserved and allowed to grow for centuries. However, there was concern that typhoons could topple these trees and cause serious damage to the shrine. Given the limited financial resources of the shrinking local population, maintaining and repairing the shrine had become increasingly difficult. The plan was to fell the giant trees, sell the timber, and use the proceeds for shrine repairs. Daiki-san opposed this plan and proposed protecting these trees instead, by suggesting that the matcha take responsibility for supporting the shrine's repairs. This year, the matcha's contribution took the form of installing Shimenawa on these giant trees and formally recognizing them as Goshinboku. By honoring them as sacred trees, we aim to ensure their long-term protection. The Shimenawa we use were made by tea farmers in Wazuka. During winter, when tea trees are dormant, many farmers make Shimenawa as a seasonal tradition and source of work. They are crafted by hand using rice straw harvested from Wazuka's fields, carrying the spirit of the land into each rope. Shimenawa connect belief, nature, and community through the people who continue to care for these sacred places.